Hey guys, Gardener's Beehive guy here again. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I'm here at River Cottage, the iconic River Cottage, visiting Will, the head gardener guy, having a look at his Gardener's Beehive. Yeah, I just thought I'd share a video of a bit of a view and landscape of the River Cottage area. So Will's garden's down there, that's the house, and then up there they've got the allotments for the pigs and piggery, and that's where the hive is up there. Cooking courses are all done in there, and obviously the gardening courses are done in the kitchen garden. They're getting ready for the festival this weekend, so yeah, stunning place.